This is our teacher.
His name is Mr. Guion.
He looks grumpy, but he's actually really nice.
In order to find the hypotenuse, I use the Pythagorean theorem.
Every Friday, when our class has a good week, we have a raffle.
This week, we did really well, and our teacher brought us a bag of apples.
How can we evenly share a bag of apples for a class of 32 students?
In order to solve, we need to know how many apples are in the bag. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10.
11.
12. In this bag, there are 12 apples.
Since we don't have enough apples to share with each student, we could use the apple core to evenly share.
The apple core slices each apple into 8 slices.
To solve, I can use my TI and Aspire calculator. If I have 12 apples, I can divide 12 by 1/8 to know how many total slices I will have. 12 divided by 1/8 equals 96 slices. If there are 32 students, I can divide 96 by 32 to know how many slices each student gets, which equals 3.
Hi, I'm Albert. This is my method. I am going to use how many students we have and how many apples we have. We could use a proportion for this. 32 students divided by 1 student equals 12 apples over X apples for each student. I am using the variable X because we don't know how many apples slices we have. Now I am going to cross multiply. I am going to cross multiply 32 and X and 1 student and 12 apples. 12 students times 1 apple equals 32 students times X. This equals 12 equals 32X. Now that we have an equation, we can use the inverse operation to isolate the variable. We could divide by 32 since X is next to a number. And we could do the same to 12. 12 over 32. These cancel out and we could write our new equation. 12 over 32 equals X. Now we could simplify. The greatest common factor of each one is 4. So I could divide each one by 4. This equals 3/8 equals X. So 3 slices out of 8 per student.
Well, if we have 1 apple and it equals 8 slices, how much slices will we have for 12 apples? Well, we don't know, so we will put a variable for X slices. Let's actually cut the apples. In order to divide them evenly, I'm going to use a core. 1 apple equals 8 slices. There we go. 2 apples will be 16 slices. It fell out. 3 apples equals 24 slices. speed up the process, we're going to use time-lapse. Twelve apples equals 96 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If there are 96 slices and 32 students, 96 divided by 32 equals 3 slices per student.
Hey there. What if there's 15 apples? How many apples will each student get? Or what if there's 18 apples? How many?
How many apples would you get if there was 34 students? How many apples would you get if there was 36